In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Asana free trial. Whether you've been exploring Asana's features or decided it's not the right fit for your needs, it's crucial to know how to cancel the trial to avoid any unexpected charges. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to cancel your trial efficiently and smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's open, head over to Asana's official website. This is the main portal for accessing all features and functionalities of your account. Once you're on the website, log into your account if you haven't done so already. After successfully logging in, take your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. This icon serves as your gateway to various account settings. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. From this menu, you'll need to find and select the admin console. This console is essentially the central hub for managing all administrative aspects of your account, including billing information. Once you're in the admin console, your next task is to locate the section labeled Billing. The Billing section is where you'll find all the details related to your plan. It includes information on plan types, pricing, and any other financial details pertaining to your account. Within this area, locate the plan details. Here, you should see the option to cancel the plan. Click on the Cancel Plan option, but be sure to read any prompts or messages that appear. These prompts often provide important information about what canceling your plan involves. They might outline what happens to your data or any other consequences of canceling. So, be sure to pay close attention. The process will involve following a series of on-screen instructions designed to guide you through the cancellation confirmation. It's essential to take your time with these steps to ensure everything is done correctly. If you provided payment details during the trial setup, confirming this cancellation is vital to avoid any future charges. However, if you never added payment information in the first place, the trial will naturally expire at the end of the 30-day period without you incurring any charges. That's one piece of good news. But what if you need to cancel the trial immediately, even if you didn't provide payment details? In such a case, your best bet is to contact Asana support directly. Their team is equipped to help expedite the cancellation process. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to cancel your Asana free trial. By following these steps, you can ensure your account settings reflect your current needs and preferences without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.